Hello everyone, and I am again here with a few sets of questions which are important as the perspective of the IB interview. So, here our first questions, or we can say heading is history of IB. What is the history of IB? So, let's discuss it. So, in 1887, learn this year. It is very important. So in 1887, the IB was originally set up by the British Secretary of State, British Secretary of State, as a Central Special Branch. Its old name was not IB. It's set up as a Central Special Branch. Central Special Branch. And the work of this Central Special Branch is to monitor Russian troops and we can say here the another task is to monitor independence movement occurring in India at the time of 1947. After the independence in 1947, IB, the new name was, this branch is IB, and it is working in the under the Ministry of Home Affairs. What is the next thing? The next year is 1968. It's a very special year because as we see the IB in 1947, it is working internally and externally both. But after the 1968, its external branch is separated from the IB, and the new name of this external branch is RAW. Today we know as a research and the analysis analysis wings. So what happened that at that time? So IB handled both internal and external intelligence. But if we talk about the 1962 China war, somewhere our intelligence had faced some failures. So and after that we also talk about the 1965 Pakistan war. So our intelligence had faced some failure. So that's why the external wing of the external branch of the IB was separated from the IB, and new name of that branch was RAW. Okay. If we talk about this 2008, since 2008, let me replaced it from here to here. So now I have a space. So in 2008, if we talk about it, in 2008, the IB has been modernized with a focus on a high-tech surveillance. That means in the terms of technology, we get high-tech surveillance because we have already talked about that. After the 26/11 attacks, the internal security and the intelligence infrastructure has totally scaled to an extraordinary level. So high-tech surveillance is included in the IB, and we can also see that the MAC, which is working under the IB was a very special step and a very crucial step to maintain our internal security. Okay, so this is the history of IB. Thank you.